Ready to make a lasting impression with a stunning logo? Discover the magic of Turbologo, the AI-powered tool that turns your vision into a beautiful logo effortlessly. Let's dive in and create something amazing. First, enter your company name and slogan. Once you have done that, click Create a Logo. Next, select your industry. Then, choose your color inspiration. Pick the colors that best represent your brand's personality. Finally, choose your icons. This is where your creativity takes the spotlight. Click Generate Logo and watch the magic happen. Within moments, Turbologo will present you with a variety of stunning logo designs. Now, let's dive into customization. Preview the generated logos and click on any design you love to start editing. Need a different font for your slogan to make it stand out? Adjust it effortlessly. Want to flip the icon or make other design tweaks? Go ahead. Turbologo makes it a breeze. Turbologo lets you preview your logo on t-shirts, mobile devices, and even business holdings. Once you are thrilled with your logo design, click Download to save your masterpiece directly to your device. And there you have it, a gorgeous professional logo designed in minutes with Turbologo. Start designing with Turbologo today and watch your brand come to life. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos.